How to make lava farm in Minecraft. So first, just get your cauldron and just make a 3 by 3 figure using it or structure, so something like that. Now once that's done, just get any stone that you want. I'm gonna use a smooth stone. I'm just gonna place it on top of the cauldron right here and another one, and I'll just go around, which should be looking something like this. Make a 3 by 3 figure again. And now I'm just going to remove this one to make it look like that. Now once that's done, just make another structure on top of this. Just make a like a wall to keep the lava here on the block or the structure that we made. So it should be looking something like this. So as you can see, it should be looking like that. Now you get your lava bucket and fill all of this with lava. I'm just gonna fill it right there. Now once that's done, get your pointed dripstone and put it below here on the blocks that we've made. So you will need 9 of it. So as you can see, once that's done, you just need to wait till any of these cauldron fills up. Now basically, once the cauldron has been filled up, you can just simply get, oops, I'm just gonna do that again since so that creeper got us, but it's now fixed. But anyways, when we go back right here, just get your bucket, right click on the cauldron, and it will basically get the lava for you, and you could just wait for it to fill up so that you could get some lava again. And that's how I basically make a lava farm in Minecraft.